Today in this video I will show you how can you change the color of Visual Studio Code text and syntax color. Let's get a start. First you have to go Chrome browser and copy the source code link. I will copy the source code link with Ctrl C. The link of this code I will put this into the description. Then you have to open Visual Studio Code, then go to the settings and search JSON and find out the settings of JSON schemas. Okay, I found that. Okay, there are the JSON schemas. Click on the edit in settings.json and copy the source code link here. You have to type this code editor.bracket_pair_colorization.enable and clone true. Then there are third bracket. In this third bracket you have to paste the source code link. This is the source code link you have to paste, and then when you paste that source code, you have to there are a scope option in the second bracket. Then you have to go the open file, the index.html. You have to change the color of action like properties. Which color is changed for you? So click from your keyboard Ctrl+Shift+P and search inspect editor tokens and scopes. Search, and there are a property like action, and there are text scope. The first line you have to copy that. I copy the first line with Ctrl C, and then you have to go to the settings.json, and then then copy the code. Okay, then I copy that. Then you copy, and there are a color foreground. I will change the color for showing. I change the color to green. Then type Ctrl S from your keyboard. Then you can see that okay, this is successful. The action colors or like properties is green. In this video I will see that. Then the source code link is on my description. Again I change the color to the aqua. Okay, I change the color to aqua. Okay, then you can see the color of my property, it is aqua. So it is in my video. Okay, so you have to change the color of this like that. Okay,